How to add captions on TikTok videos. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add captions on TikTok videos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically add captions on TikTok videos, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok application. Now let's say you want to add a caption to a video that you might have uploaded. Now you can do this process during the upload process as well by just tapping the plus icon, and then you can go ahead and then basically select any of the photos or the videos that you might have in this case. So once you select a certain video that you might have, just tap the next option there, and once done you can just go ahead and tap the next option again. As you have done that over here, if your video basically has, let's say, in English language, you'll be able to say select video languages, and here you can see it says videos in supported languages will show auto-generated captions. So as long as the language that you speak on TikTok is supported, it will auto-generate the captions, so you don't really have to do anything. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.